Hi guys, this is day number 124 of my 365 Livestream challenge. This is still September 16. So what? Yes, we are keeping going with my September series, Software Startup Workshop. Each workday, I'm showing you the every step in our software startup workshop we are doing with our clients for thousands of dollars, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars just for the planning phase for the bigger projects. So we have a great unique opportunity to check the inside from the inside how we do these workshops with our clients, see if that's something that you might benefit from, and maybe you can reuse it already from this information. It's still high level because my live streams are between 3 and 10 minutes, so I cannot cover everything. We are spending 2 full days with our clients and then at least 1 full week with our team working on that, preparing, making research, estimating and everything. But still you can learn a lot because we are going to cover 3-10 minutes full month, 22 days of content. So right now on my screen I'm showing the diagram for the whole software startup workshop series for this month, and we last week we've been covering the foundation stage, the homework for the clients. This week we are finishing the product strategy, and today we are on the last step of 5 core pillars of any software product strategy. We considered user acquisition, activation, retention, referral, and now today we will be talking about monetization model for our software. This is probably the most interesting part. This is where we start getting some money, planning how we can make money after our software. Of course, you should consider how you are going to make money from your software at the very beginning, but you don't need to be that deep at the beginning. You can still launch MVP without any payment gateway integrated, without any payment forms, without any pricing tiers. You just need to figure out if the software will be useful for people and people will start using at least for free. If they are using for free, there are quite high chances they can pay some small money. Of course, you need to do some exercises, and this is what exactly I'm going to show today. What kind of exercise you need to do for the monetization model to make sure that you are picking good software idea where you can make money, because you don't want to spend tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars on some software that is not making you money. Even when it has users, it's not the end goal of any business. It's that you make money with users or without users. That's it. So monetization model for software. Again, I'm opening my spreadsheet. We're still in the worksheet. We are in a product strategy worksheet for our workshop. We have money, call it money here, and we have a couple very important steps to consider, brainstorm, and put together the strategy for the monetization model. First of all, what is kind of monetization model for our software? Are these on-time purchase? Are we using like making money from one-time purchases, like just lifetime license for our software, paid once and then no next payments? Or maybe we are going for monthly or annual subscription, like SaaS, software as a service, or maybe commissions or transactions and other kind of fees, like marketplaces. When they buy from each other, we get some small fee on top of that. Pay as you go for some specific value metrics, like number of subscribers. If they have 10 subscribers, they pay us 0. If they have 100 subscribers, they pay us $100, for example. Maybe we are social network and we want to make money from ads placements, monthly banner fees, paid listing, etc. And there are tons of different models, hybrid models, combining all of these ideas. But before you start fantasizing what you want to do, how you want to make money, I would encourage you to check competitors one more time, put together the table with information. Okay, Aweber, it's like competitor to the MailChimp. We're creating MailChimp clone, for example, and they are charging this and this. This is their approach to pricing and monetization. And this is the other competitor, this is Infusionsoft competitor, etc., etc. And we ask our clients, and we put together with our clients here a list of our competitors and how they make money. So if that works for them, probably it will also work for us. We can put some lower prices at the beginning, or maybe a bit different structure, so we will be focused on a bit different niche within that business, within that market, but we need to check the competitors, and only then we will be able to put our own. If you are creating SaaS, easy solution, just do monthly or annual pricing tiers. If you are a marketplace, then definitely transaction fees, and social network, probably paid listings or something like, or some directories. So depending on the type of business, that might be pretty obvious what kind of monetization model you will pick. The next question is pricing structure. When it's SaaS, for example, like MailChimp, it's not that easy. There are a couple different things like value-based metric, and then the kind of perpetual value features. So if you want, so you can introduce like a couple pricing tiers. For $10, for $50 you get something else, for $100 you get even more. But you might go for the value metric, like number of subscribers. If they reach 100 subscribers and more, you ask them to pay more. Or you can go for perpetual value features metric, like pricing and monetization model. If they want that feature to be able to do some automation within your email marketing software, then they need to go for that premium account that will cost $500, for example, per month. So these are two different things. And if you check the MailChimp, how they calculate the pricing, it's super complex. They have a combination of both value metrics and perpetual value features inside of their pricing tiers. And it's like it's based on the features, plus within each feature pricing tier, they have also will change the price, final price for you based on the amount of subscribers you already have there. So it's complex. I would not suggest to go that complex road. Value metrics, pricing tiers. I would suggest you just, if you want to start getting money on day one after MVP launch, just implement one pricing tier, one fixed regarding of any features. Subscriber, just do it, just one for everybody, like Basecamp still doing just $100 per month for any kind of business, any size of business. Same doing Russell Brunson with ClickFunnels. They introduced the second pricing tier just only recently. Now after having hundreds of thousands of users, they had always just 100 per month pricing tier. You can imagine, for a huge company and for small company, the same pricing tier, and very small, $100 per month for marketing business. It's almost zero. So I would suggest you to be simple, and I don't even want to get deeper into how these combinations work. This is a complex topic. We only discuss this with the tech-savvy, business-savvy software founders that already know what they are doing, and probably they are doing this for the second, third time. And in that case, we are really including this kind of monetization model, which is also technically not that easy to implement. And usually, we're spending a couple of weeks and sometimes even 1-2 months to implement such a complex feature to charge our users based on multiple different metrics. So, I guess this is the final question. Are we going to provide some free trial or no free trial, or maybe we are going for freemium model? This is about, can your users start testing your software without paying for it first? Usually like 2 weeks free trial is the most common sense for most B2C and some of smaller B2B businesses. For enterprises, usually free trial, I would not say usually, it sometimes works, sometimes not. If it's complex healthcare and you need to integrate that software into their network of hospitals, probably that will be through sales calls. It will be market-led, not product-led. Right, but if you're in smaller niche, smaller clients, then free trial would be a good solution. Again, because it's more complex in most cases. For smaller launchers, for smaller products, we suggest just to go free and then add pricing tiers after a couple months of running and getting more and more happy users. Freemium, it's when you just give away free plan forever, the basic one. Like MailChimp has before, under 100 subscribers you will get a free account without premium features below 100,000 subscribers. I don't recommend freemium for any MVP at all. Don't consider this. It's only for if you are on the market for a couple of years, you understand your audience very well. Only then you can consider freemium. Now just free trial or just free accounts for everybody would be a good starting point if you just for the first time in the software business. So, and we have a couple extra explanations. Then we have assignment for our client in our worksheet here, which is what your monetization model. I'm adding free trial. Same goes about competitor research. You need to check what they are doing and probably just imitate in a more simplistic way, of course. And actually, this is the last step, software economics. This is super important. I will just tell you that you need to to measure and to try to project the LTV and CAC ratio. It's still a guess at this point before you start getting users and spending money on getting users to your software. But this is important one. This is LTV is lifetime value of your client, how much they generate over the course of using your software total, and CAC is customer acquisition costs, is how much you are going to spend money and resources to get your first to get that sign up per one sign up. And usually you need to target for more than 3-to-1 ratio, so that at least 75% of your revenue you are keeping after marketing costs. Okay, anything smaller and you will not make any money in your business. Here we have a lot of examples, explanations how you can calculate and project, how you can research how much your clients are spending, your competitors are spending CAC for their users. A lifetime value. We also have some tactics to research it in our growth hacking workshop. I will not show and explain here, it's a huge topic, but we have some tools how we research the competitors, what's their LTV CAC ratio, and you just need to know that you need that 3. Your CAC should be 1 and your LTV should be more than 3 compared to 1 from CAC. So this is the monetization model. These are all the steps we require our clients to fill in, to brainstorm with us. So and of course we help them identify these answers. But this is the step that we do on our workshop, and this is the last step in product strategy. With that brainstorm session, we are finishing our first day, and on Monday we will get back to our software startup workshop series, and we will start working on the technical side. Only now, after first 2 customer stuff related topics, we are ready to start talking technical things, technology stack, users, functionality, technical risk, scope, design inspiration, and everything else related to estimation and everything. So on Monday we'll start our 3rd phase of our software startup workshop series. Thank you for watching. If you have any question regarding monetization model, please comment below this video. I will reply to it. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, and remember, people need your